Here's a story. Adam Sandler was in an IHOP and with his daughter, and then he got turned away from the restaurant because there was too much of a wait. And then the person who told him that didn't realize it was him until after. So they posted on TikTok about how they were a clown for not realizing that it was Adam Sandler.
Adam Sandler tweeted or TikToked about it?
No, a TikToker.
Oh, a TikToker.
A TikToker TikToked about it.
Okay.
And decided to call themselves a clown for not noticing such a thing. But none of this is what I like about the article.
What happened?
There's one thing that I really like about the article. Okay, so anyway, first of all, I like how casual he goes out. I can really relate to that. He's got a North Face hoodie.
It's like, yeah, peace.
Some baggy shorts and some comfortable shoes. I can relate to that, for one. Oh, by the way, the video has gone viral. 9.7 million views. That's TikTok for you.
Right.
Well, here's one thing that I don't really know. So people pick up the story. She posted it. So at what point did she realize it was Adam Sandler? Because in the moment she didn't.
No.
So she went to look at the camera, I guess, and figured out it was?
Yeah, probably.
She's like, maybe that was Adam Sandler?
Yeah, this guy looks familiar.
And then went to the camera. She's like, that was Adam. Okay, but here's the best part. This is my favorite part of the whole thing. Sandler's publicist confirmed to the Huffington Post that it was Sandler. What? What a weird...
I represent him. That's him.
Just imagine how that would go down.
Yeah.
Okay, so they say the clip is going viral. So does his publicist call him up and go, was that you at the IHOP? And he goes, yeah, that was me. And they go, do you mind if we tell the press that it was you? And he's like, no, I don't care. And then they go back and they say, we'd like to confirm that is our client, Adam Sandler, in the IHOP in a North Face sweatshirt.
It's like, run the article. We're good to go.
I don't know. There's nothing funny about that to me. I don't know what it is. It's like such an official means for an announcement of something that's so insignificant. It's just, he was just there waiting. But I kind of love it.